Question 5, we've got two shapes, a triangle and a rectangle, and we're told that the area of the triangle is 10 centimeters squared greater than the area of the rectangle. All the measurements are in centimeters. Work out the value of x. Okay, this is area 1 and this is area 2. Area 1, the area of a triangle is half the base, which is 8/2, multiplied by the height, which is 6x. Always try to simplify this down. The 2 goes into the 6 3 times, and this is equal to 24x. And area 2, the multiplication of 4x minus 1 and 5. And this is equal to 20x minus 5. So I have an expression in x for both area 1 and area 2. So now we've got to apply this second line of information. The area of the triangle is 10 centimeters greater than the area of the rectangle. So if I take my value for area 2 and add 10 to it, this should equal 24x. So let's write that down. We've got an equation in x, we can solve it. So therefore, 20x plus 5 is equal to 24x. Bringing the x's all on one side, and I'm going to move the 20x across here so I don't create a negative amount of x, which is just more awkward to deal with. We've got 24 minus 20, so this is 4x is equal to 5. So therefore, x is equal to 5/4. And that should be your answer.